myself. I'm sorry. So disrespectful, right? My name is Richard. I'm from France, and I'm here to taste some Brazilian food. Let's see. Okay, let's start. You can bring the first one. What is that? Cheese bread? Pão de queijo? Well done, pão de queijo. Delicious, delicious. You can bring it. My gosh, this is delicious. My gosh. Oh, you can bring the other one, of course. That one is delicious. How do we call in Portuguese? Pão de queijo. Delicious. This other one, feijoada. Feijoada. I have never heard about it, but you can bring. Thanks. My gosh, delicious. Perfect. Perfect. I love it. Please, you can bring the other one. I'm so happy here in Brazil. Delicious food. What is this? Acarajé? Acarajé? Whoa, delicious! Is this from Bahia? That's delicious. It's perfect, guys. Let's see one more. Thank you. This is delicious. My gosh, it's tapioca. Wow, this is delicious. My gosh, what is that? Açaí? Açaí? It's perfect, perfect. Now you can bring another one. I'm ready. All the things here are perfect. How come? What is that? Brigadeiro. I love brigadeiro. It's delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh my gosh. Brazil is delicious. Perfect. Can I live here in Brazil? My gosh, it's so delicious, all this food. We have more, right? More? So, can I taste tomorrow? Okay.
And then guys, did you like the video? I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you on Tuesday. See you later, alligator. Bye bye bye, butterfly.